and multiple choice needs to show calculations. It will be question 34 on my office hour website. Okay. Now, without doing any calculation, I want to show you can narrow this one down to the correct answer, because this is on my lecture notes. Okay, which part are we talking about? It's this title. Okay, first order, zero order, second order. If a reaction has zero order, just like this question, this choice E. Okay, what am I expecting? Okay, what am I expecting if I have this zero order? Means this reaction rate will not be changed. Okay, if I have something like okay, number 4, okay, 0.0418, okay, 0.404. Okay, if that has exactly the same rate as my second, then that tells me regardless how much I change of my first component, it's not changing. Then that's E. Are we cool with this? Okay. What does the D tells me? Okay, if it's D, okay, if it's D, choice D. Okay. It tells me my first and second have the same effect. The same, okay, so my both, okay, if I change the concentration of this one or the second one, have, okay, have same effect over it. Okay, if that is the case, okay, look at number 1 to number 2. It doubled. Okay, so this is times 2, but this is larger than times 2. Means my second component is heavier. Is heavier than 2. Okay, or heavier than 2 over 2. Heavier than 2 over 2 because it's larger than 2, right? The ratio 2 over 2. Okay. Well, when I'm comparing my first, okay, it's narrow by half, and this one is narrow by half. So half over half is the same. So this is basically is around 1, but this one is larger. The second one is larger than 1. So I'm not expecting both components to have the same effect. And I'm actually expecting my second component to have larger effect than my first. Make sense? Okay, now I'm going to show the real calculation. But this is by logic, or just by your understanding of the rate of kinetics. Are we cool with this? Okay. The part I'm going over is based on your understanding, which means even this is calculation question. Based on how good you know, okay, second order has a heavier effect on the overall rate. Zero order means change the concentration will change nothing on my rate. Okay, from less effect to the heaviest effect. Are we cool with this? So this is what my number 5 is referring to. Okay, now in the exam, this is what you need to write. Okay, so I will need to write my rate 1, which is R1 equals to 0.0836 x 0.202 y equals to 0.26. My rate 2 equals to R2 equals to 0.0836 x 0.404 y equals to 1.04. You want to divide by that. which means I can cancel x. So this also cancels to half. Okay. Half y equals to 0.26 over 1.04. Okay. Y equals to. Okay, we're going to do the same for our raised to and raised 3. Okay. What is my raised 3? It's 0.0. Oh, is that in the way? Okay, let's put it on. Okay, 0.0418 x 0.404 y equals to 0.53. Yes. So now you can actually cancel y, and what's the x left? Oh, no. Okay. X, you have 2, 1. So it's 2 over 1 x equals to 1.04 over 0.53. X equals to 1. Okay, any questions? Okay, it matches our conclusion from previous. We think our second component have greater effect than my first component because it's second. Questions? Okay.